still can't believe you went. What are you thinking? Going to that place? Wish you hadn't got yourself into this mess, but you did. You can't run forever. I know you were just trying to do right by me, so I need you to do what's right by us. Now, please, Kaz. I am so tired of fighting. I just want it to be over. I want you home. The girls want you home, but if you don't deal with this, then we are done for good. I love you. But I won't wait forever. Suze.
Jesus, Suze.
Girls made you a Christmas card.
Ah, fuck. Merry fucking Christmas.
Kaz, Roy's finishing up breakfast if you want something.
I'll be there in a minute, Trots.
Aye, well, dinna wait too long or someone will be off with it.
Aye. All right. Sorry, girls. Aye, quite right, Trots. Davy must have gone back on shore last night.
All right, Kaz.
I'm all right. What are you doing up there?
Pipe's leaking. If it's not one thing, it's the other. See this whole rig? It's a pile of shite. It's falling apart. And we've only just started drilling. Fucking Cadal. And fucking Rennick cutting corners.
Aye.
Speaking of, you are in the shite, wee man. Rennick got a letter this morning from the mainland and he's been up to high dough ever since. Heard he's gunning for you.
Well, that's just brilliant.
Christ, I need a smoke. Can't find my lighter anywhere.
Take mine. I don't need it anymore, honestly.
You're a fucking lifesaver.
I'm going to get breakfast.
All right. I'll see you for darts tonight. We'll put a wee picture of Rennick up on the board for you.
Sounds like a plan. See ya. Man, I hope there's some leftovers. You all right, Roy?
Cars, me old mucker.
I do.
McClary, to my office. That means now, not as soon as you're ready. Now.
The sweet sound of Davy Rennick.
You think it's the Paulus?
Can't be surprised, Kaz. You heard from Suze?
She's talking about divorce.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kaz. She'll come around.
Not if I get to jail, she won't.
Well, maybe you could have considered that while you were battering Billy Chamberlain's head in.
Cunt slagged off Suze, he had it coming.
And there he is. Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee, and swears like the devil himself. Listen, mate, even if it is the police, maybe it's best to just go back and face it, yeah?
Ugh, I don't know, Roy. I'm fucking scunnered with the whole thing.
The Lord loves you, mate, no matter what. And I'm pretty sure Suze does too.
That's all clear for you now, Roy.
Lovely job, thanks, Dobby.
Oh, Trot says he's left your insulin in your cabin.
Oh, bless his little communist socks. Muchly appreciated. Ta. Remember, life is like football. It's not over.
Until the final whistle. Aye. You're a Barnsley fan, so you're pretty much fucked from the off, right?
Oh, I will see you hand for that, McCleary. Off you trot, lad, before his nibs blows a gasket.
Home sweet home. Head up and see what the score is. Am I alright to get by, pal?
It's all right. You have to go around, Kaz.
Lay it on the deck, nice and easy. Go and mash it! Lennox just itching to get someone a kicking.
Same thing on the other side. They're both damsel. He's working, heel pro, steady like. It'll come.
You're thinking we're 20-year-old?
He says this year.
Aye, I bet they do. I'll add it to the list.
Need a hand there, fellas?
McCleary! No, I can scalp in this here all by myself. No, we're all right. Cheers, though.
Fair enough.
You want to transfer here, McCleary? You'd give me less lip.
No, he loves it.
McCleary! My office. Don't make me ask again.
In a better mood today, is he?
You'll be all right, Kaz. You get used to it. We all get a turn.
Try not to punch him.
Ah, no promises.
Stand back there. Give me a minute to check. It is fair again. I can see from here. Drill crew will love that. Rennick will love it even more. You're telling him. I told him last time. This one's all yours.
All right, Roper, what's the problem? Don't usually see you down here.
Drill's acting up this morning. Got the crew running around like blue-ass flies, but they cannot make head or tail of it.
Is that yous behind schedule then?
No, not yet. And not if the gods are smiling on us.
So more fucked than ever.
Not as fucked as you by the sounds of it. Look, you better get up there. The boss man sounds raging.
Well, how long will that take? Orders in, but might be 2-3 weeks before it's shipped, like. I can patch it, but we'll need to keep an eye. Maybe say a prayer and all. You know,
Stay on the path, mate. A cargo hoist will crush you if you get close.
Jesus, Scooby! Give me a heart attack.
Oh, sorry, mate. Can I ask a wee favour?
What do you need, Scoob?
Ah, could you do me a quick fix on the crew lift fuse box while you're down there?
Aye, no bother.
Ah, you're a lifesaver, mate. And don't let the big man get you down, all right?
Thanks, pal.
Just gone in, dirty.
Why are you not in my office?
Well, here we fucking go.
Enter!
Ah, Mr. McClary. So glad you could join me, and sorry to have got you out of bed. Shut the door and have a seat.
I'm fine, Standing.
Sit your ass in that chair, you fucking liability.
But I don't...
I run a tight ship. Do you understand me? A tight ship.
Technically, it's no shit.
Shut your gob, you Ned prick! I am sick to fucking bouking of you wee gobshites messing with my operation. That chef might be a mate of yours, but he does not run things around here. I do. Do you understand me?
All right, why don't you just get on with it?
Don't you answer me back! You might be the height of shite on shore, McClary, but out here, I am the fucking king. Do you understand me? You bring the police to my door, to my rig.
Look, I can sort this, right? I just need time.
Shut it, you clatty gobshite. I've got here's a mama who can make a more positive contribution to this operation than you.
Look, I know...
Shut it! I'm in a meeting. What? Fuck's sake, Gibbo, I don't care. We're on a schedule. It's a fucking drill. You've got a fucking drill, so drill through it. Yeah, well, Roper's a whiny old fud. He's got a problem with everything. I don't care if it feels off. Just fucking do it! Or I'll come down there myself.
Is that trouble with the missus?
You're fired. You hear me? Fired.
Come on, man. It's only a wee bit of trouble with the polish. I'm good with the lecky. I keep things running. You said it yourself.
Out! Get off my rig!
Aye. A happy new year to you too, you cunt. Well, no more running for you, Kaz. Jesus, Gregor! Gregor!
Get away from the edge! Guys, help me! Guys, don't let me die, man, please! I don't want to die! I don't want to die!
Jesus, just hang on! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Christ, but you're a right pair. 2 bars and a ball bag.
Now listen, Pat. I promise I'll take care of him. I had a word with our Kieran, you remember him? He knows Billy Chamberlain from way back. Owes me a favour. Reckons he can sweeten Billy up a bit. Come on. Have I ever let you down?
Right, you lost the cake at the wedding.
Now then, that wasn't my fault.
You left it on a bench at Argyle Street.
Aye, you were that bloated you didn't even remember baking the cunt.
Oh, my children, that was before the light of the Lord came to me.
Here we fucking go.
And you, Mr. McCleary, you can fuss and cuss all you like. But perhaps if you went to the Saracens a little less and the Tabernacle a little more, then perhaps you'd not be in this pickle, eh?
Don't look at me. You're the one who decided to spend the next 4 months trapped on a rig with this bampot.
Susan, I promise you, we will get this straightened out.
I will. You'd better.
Guys! Christ! He's gone cold! Shit! Guys! Get his legs! We can't leave him out here! Move! Fuck! Kaz! I think he's deep! We've got you, man, alright? We've got you! He's breathing, thank Christ. Kaz, come on. Wake up, Kaz. Why is he not waking up? Can you hear me? Is he going to die, Brody? Kaz? I need your help here! McCleary! Thank Christ! You alright being up on your feet?
My heat's killing me, but... Aye, I think so. You got me out. Did you get Gregor?
I got you, aye. I couldn't find Gregor.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, Kaz.
Jesus.
He's not the only one we lost. No! Rass is still in there. Why aren't these working? Kaz! I need you to help me. Kaz!
What? Right, aye, what do you need?
The cable's stuck. Go down and release the main brake, then come back up and raise the bell. If you can get it to my level, I think I can get him out.
Aye.
Raffs, it's all right. We're getting you out. It'll be 2 minutes, pal. That's it. Come back and winch up the bell now.
What's going on, Brody? What happened?
Don't know. The drill hit something. An air pocket or gas explosion, nobody knows. But whatever it was big. You were lucky, trust me. Douglas is trying to find out more. Like if the bear is even safe now.
What's wrong with Raffs?
I don't know, alright. Decompression shouldn't be this bad. I shouldn't have let him go down there. I said I'd look after him. I'm here, Raffs. It's Brody. I'm gonna get you out.
Aye. Is there anything more I can do?
No, I'll get him. We need to know what's going on up top. You'll need to go through engineering. The way up is blocked from here.
Where's engineering for here? I've never been doing this end before.
The only way you'll get there is to go under the rig. Should be a clearer path down there.
All right. I'll head down now. Shite! I'm gonna hit them in the fucking sea again. Shite! I'm gonna hit them in the fucking sea again. Christ! Too close. Oh, fucking hell. Just get across. What is that? Drill Finally, something useful. What is that? Jesus.
Over here.
Jesus, Finley. You alright? You look like you've seen a ghost. Who's making that noise?
Gibbo. He's making that racket.
Should we no find him, help him?
No, I recommend that.
What does that mean?
It means he's no alright. After that explosion, he got oil or some shite on him and just... I don't know. He freaked out. Went for me. He's still out there.
You mean out here? As in out here with me?
Aye. That's exactly what I mean.
Oh, that's just fucking brilliant. You seen anyone else?
I just got here. Where you going anyway?
Back to accommodation.
Listen, you'll have to get through the water tanks to get up to accommodation. And quiet like.
Go all the way up there? Jesus. And what about Gibbo?
Stay the fuck away from him, you listening to me? He's no right, cuz.
I'm no arguing.
Cuz. Be fucking careful, eh?
Aye. You know. Through. Fuck! Ha! Fucking thing's locked.
No! You're not doing this! What the fuck is that?
do? No! Douglas! Douglas! Jesus. No. He can't be. Shit. Oh, God. Jesus. I need to get warm. Can't feel my hands to move them. Just a wee minute by the heater. Can I stop shaking? Fuck. Stop thinking about it. Just stop thinking about it. Jesus. Jesus. Right. Right. Is anyone here? Hello? If there's anybody here, fucking say something! McCleary here?
Cass, it's O'Connor. I've got Bruce and Burgess with me. You know what's going on?
No, but we hit something. You need to get out of there.
Don't need to tell me twice. Listen, something's wrong in engineering. It's not safe. We'll go through the leg and come up through the underrick. Rennick better give the evacuation.
O'Connor? You have to go through accommodation. It's all blocked. Do you hear me? O'Connor! I'm going to boke. Christ, that stuff is rank. Stuck fast. Roy! No, he's not here, fuck. I have to go around the crew lounge and try the galley. Please be there, mate. Trots, is that you? I can't hear you, man. Open the door. Trots, the door's blocked. I can't get to you. What's up, wee man? Are you hurt? Jesus Christ. Jesus, Trots! Hello?
Bloody hell, fire! Get in, quick.
Thank God you're all right. Jesus, what are you doing in here?
What do you think I'm doing in here? What the bloody hell is going on?
I don't know. People are dying, Roy.
Dead? Who's dead? How?
Douglas. Trots, I think. I don't know, it's this thing. I think it's doing something to people. I don't know what to believe, know what I mean?
I really do. I saw something out on the deck. I didn't stay to look, it just scared the shit out of me. I should barricade the door.
We can't hide, Roy. We have to get off this rig right the fuck now.
What, without Rennick say so?
Roy, did you hear Rennick? What, you think we're getting evacuated? He'd want everybody back at work if we were at the bottom of the North fucking Sea.
Right. The lifeboats, then?
Aye. You stay. Barricade the door. Let me clear a path, and once we're ready to go, I'll come and get you, right?
I'll be here, don't worry. Getting some extra prayers in.
Aye, we're gonna need them.
Guys, you won't leave me. It's bloody terrifying out there.
I'm not leaving you,
I
pal.
wouldn't blame you if you did, mate.
I mean, you've got all the food in here for a start. Listen, get your man upstairs on the case, and I'll see you soon, right? Can't open it. Jesus. What the fuck's happened to them? Locked. Jesus. Ah, my heat. Ah, fucking hell. What is that? Fuck. Maybe I can get through the laundry. Fucking thing's locked. Hello? Anybody in here?
Depression North Atlantic, moving east and deeper. Here is the shipping forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking southwest, veering westward, gale 8 and storm 10. Very rough. Wind and
Oh, shite! I'm not going back in there. Christ. How am I going to get down there? Shit! Oh, Christ, pal.
Attention crew of the bearer. All personnel need to get to their nearest evacuation point. Don't you all get too excited now. You'll all be back at work in 15 minutes once I get all this nonsense straightened out.
You fucking bastard. Christ. Let's not do that again. I can't get this one open. No chance. Oh, come on, you're joking me. Oh, thank Christ. Here it is. Okay, right. Looks easy enough. Locked. Jesus. Halfway out of here. One more. One more. Right. Now the lever. Get it into position. Nearly out of this. No! Jesus! What? Man, fuck! Oh, that's just brilliant. Perfect. Now fucking what?
Who's that?
Rennick, it's me, Kaz.
McClary, what the fuck are you doing to my lifeboats?
It's gone. It just fell off into the fucking sea.
You must have done it wrong.
Fuck off, Rennick. You built this fucking thing, not me.
Who's with you?
Roy's in the canteen. Finlay and Brody are alive.
Listen to me, McClary. Get your ass up to the chopper pad, bring anyone else you can find too, and whatever you do, don't touch this stuff all over the bearer.
I can't get back out. There's a safety door, the railings are all gone.
For God's sake, do I have to tell you how to do everything? Give the door a tidy kick at the bottom. It'll open right enough.
What about you?
Just concentrate on getting to the pad. Don't worry about me.
You see, Rennick?
What?
Well, does this mean we're okay, like? No hard feelings?
Get to fuck, McClary, and when you get back, fuck off again. I'd be happy to see you drown, but I'm not having your death on my fucking record.
Go on yourself, you old fud. Fucking cheap bastard. It's Kaz, Ennis. What's going on?
Jesus, I need help. I don't know what to do again.
What was that?
Christ, something's happening to me. Oh no!
Ennis. Ennis!